Okay, I'm back again with this beautiful transparent picture enlargement. You can see how beautiful it is. See how the butterflies are were attached. So eye catching, okay? So this is the picture. I took the picture to photograph shot and also downloaded some butterflies. Those butterflies being attached to the picture. You can see one. I was one that downloaded them. So the editor is now attaching them to the picture. You can see the other one. So this is how is attaching those butterflies to the picture. After attaching them, you noise the whole pictures and bring them out. That's all. Okay. Okay. This is how the picture is being noise. You then put them. You then put the picture in size into 1624. That is the size I'm about to frame before sending it to printer. And this is the picture coming out. This is the printer. This is the picture coming out. So as finish coming out, you cut it off. Then take it to the lamination stage. And this is how the picture was laminated. And this is how to laminate picture. In short, this is how to laminate picture. And you must laminate your printed picture. Once serve is involved, once you're making use of SAV, self-adhesive value, you must laminate. Very, very important. Okay, it's done. And then went to shop where they are selling acrylic glass. I bought two acrylic glass. He gave me oversized glass. As you can see, he measured it. The oversized, and he wanted to cut it. I told him no. You should leave it and cut it for me to show you guys. And also went where they are selling frame pull. Have my frame cut. I have it cut and put it in shape. And what's the shape? 1624. I came back with those materials I bought and start framing. Okay. I'm just cutting out the person in the picture for the background to be the moon because this is transparent. So there is no need of background to be in the frame because it is transparent. So I'm carving out the person out from the background. Now we also carve out these butterflies, all of them. I have them. I will have them carved out. So stay tuned and follow my moves. Please make sure you watch other videos. If this is your first video, you are just coming across my channel, please watch other videos to learn fast. This is not the first transparent picture frame video I made. Look for the other one. You also learn a lot from them. Okay? I really passed across very important information, very important messages in that video. I'm talking about the previous video of transparent picture I made. Watch it and learn faster. Okay? This is just a full video of it on how to go about transparent picture frame. So stay tuned. Okay, the person is out. I'm done carving. This is my name, my logo. I later forgot to put it in the frame, but I'm just showing you that it's very, very important. Make sure you put your name or logo capital, but I later forgot. So this is the acrylic glass I bought, the two acrylic glass. So I will now cut out the size I need. That is 16.4. I will cut it out. So I'm now marking it. Marking out the size. That is 16.4. I did not come back with my tape. And even I came back with my tape, I will not pass through this long process by marking with my pencil or this thing. Just use my tape to trace the place and have it out immediately. But because I didn't come back with my tape. That's why I'm passing through all this stress. Okay. And if you notice, I put a board, plywood, before I place the glass. Remember the precaution. If you have watched how to cut acrylic glass, if you have watched the video, if you have not, go back and watch it for you to see the precautions to take while cutting acrylic glass. It's very, very important. Please go back and watch the video if you have not watched the video. The video is in this channel. After cutting, use sandpaper to smooth the rough cuts. Very, very important. I notice it has not entered. Okay, it's not well balanced, so I have to make it to be balanced. That's exactly what I'm doing here. Okay. Okay, I made a mistake in the other video. Like this side, I did not remove the cover of the acrylic glass. What I did is to remove the sides of the paper, leaving the center. But I did not apply it here. It actually skipped my mind. It's when I was removing the paper and I realized the mistake. So I urge you to watch the other video, okay? If you really want to learn. I did it properly well in that video. As you can see, actually stressed me while removing the paper because I did not remove the sides. So I urge you to watch the other video for you to see what I'm talking about. Thank you.